Hello there coders, Foxycodedojo here, and today we're going to be working on our throw the ball project in MatterJS. So let's see our project from last time. We have these two boxes, we drop it, and this one just falls off. That's no good, isn't it? It just slides off. That's not how it should work. It should rotate and then fall off. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fix it. First of all, we're going to need to create a new file. We're going to call this box.js. Hit enter. And what we're going to do right now is make a class. Classes are like functions, except they have methods and different things inside of them. So to start, we'll make class box equals lowercase, no equals, just the curly brackets. So class box, then we have our brackets. Now we first have to make what's called the constructor. The constructor is what we use when we first create our class. Then I'll get in depth. I'll explain this in depth a little later. So first of all, we add in the x, y, width, and height as our parameters. Okay, save this. Now what we're going to do, first step, we're going to go back. So we need to basically create the same things as before. This dot body 3. We're not going to do all of them right out. We're going to do this dot body equals bodies dot rectangle. Put at the x, y, width, and height. And then we're going to set this dot width equals width. And this dot height equals height. Sorry, this is going to be irrelevant pretty soon. And now we're going to do world.add world, comma, this dot body, save, and oops, we got to put a capital W. So we've created it, but just like in Sketch.js, we have to actually display it. Alright, we'll do this pretty simply. Now I create a display method. And now we're gonna first set rect mode to center, because the bodies are created at the center. And now what we're gonna do is we'll just fill it. And now that's filled red, we'll create our rect. Now we gotta do this dot body dot position dot x, comma, this dot body dot position dot y. Then we got this dot width, this dot height, nothing's happening over here right now. I'm just saving this. And now what we're gonna do is go to index.html. You gotta add this in. Now we gotta add box.js. Save that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete all of this. We're gonna create a new floor pretty soon. Now we've got our other variables. We got var box1, comma box2. Box1 equals new box. I'll set at 200, 200, 50, 50, save. You don't see anything. You gotta do box1 display. And oops, we still need to display the floor. Let me just go back a little bit. So what we're gonna do, we're just only gonna delete these two. We're gonna come and create a new floor class pretty soon. But right now we're gonna do just this. For box 1, come up box 2. And now we're gonna do box 1 equals new box, and now we already have all of our parameters. And now all we're gonna do is display bodies. And now for that, it's pretty simple. Box1.display. See, this is so much easier than before. Now I'll create box 2 equals new box at 120, 100, 30, 30. And now we'll do box2.display and see what happens. Okay, let's make this 40, 40 and push this another 10. Same thing as before. Now it's time to fix that. First up, we're going to do push. And then we're going to do pop. What? Where? Okay. And now we're going to do pop. We have to do this so when we have multiple bodies that nothing breaks at all. We're going to first copy this and put the rect position to 0, 0. And now what we're going to do is we're going to translate. And now we're going to do rotate. This.body.angle. And save. And there. Did you see it? It falls properly, just like we needed. Now if we want, we could create a third body. Put it on the same X position. This time we'll make it 60, 60. Oops, this is box 3. Still got to do all this. 3, and now box 3.display. I did box 2 again. Then you can move this around, and you could just mess around and see everything that happens. Pretty cool. So, thank you guys for watching. We're going to continue working on this next time, but now we finished fixing the rotation. Thank you guys. Foxycodedojo.